So the very first thing I'm doing is just sanding down all of the magnets. The tops are shiny and stuff, so I just wanted to sand that down so that the hot glue had something to stick to. I'm just using a sanding block to sand those down. Sorry if like seeing stuff being sanded makes you feel weird, like the nails on chalkboard effect, because I feel that too. Just watching that, even when I was doing it, I felt that too. The magnets, I don't remember what they're from, but it was some like magnetic jewelry company or something that I don't think is really a thing anymore. And then the next thing I did was I just hot glued the flowers onto the magnets. Super easy, super quick. You need to make sure that you move really fast, of course, because the hot glue dries quick. I used one with a lower heat setting, so it dries super quick, but if you use a hotter one, it'll be fine. These flowers that I'm using, I have no clue where I got them from. They're just in the craft stuff. I'm sure you can get them at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby or whatever. But they have flat backs on them to begin with. Like, I didn't have to cut them off of stems. So if you're gonna do a craft like this, or any sort of craft where you would cut the stems off of your fake flowers, I recommend just finding these fake flowers that don't have stems to begin with, because that makes it so much easier. So I just continued this process for all 8 of my flowers. And then these are the thumbtacks I used. Can't see it very well in the video, but they are just the flat thumbtacks. And then here I am putting them in the wall. Sorry, it's a really shaky video. It's hard to film putting tacks in the wall. Should have used my tripod, but I was just too lazy. But I'm sure you guys know how to put tacks in a wall. And then here is the flower, and it just sticks on there super easy, although it does hold pretty well. But that's just super nice so that if I ever have like some butterflies I want to put on there, I can, or anything else I want to attach magnets to, now I have a way of doing that.